They have received order copy from the High Court and despite receiving the order copy, they did not release. Now you should question the government and the department why they have not released the accused. High Court order is very specific that forthwith the moment you receive the order, you have to release an essay. Despite clear order, they did not release. Now they have to answer.
జైల్లో ఉండకూడదని చెప్పేసి కూడా నేను హైకోర్టు ఆదేశాలు ఇచ్చింది.
ఉన్నదండి. That
కానీ
is
కూడా ఇప్పుడు ఉన్నది. దీన్ని ఏ విధంగా మరి తీసుకుంటారు మీరు?
we have to take further steps and legally what is permissible we will take.
Sir, what is the kind of, are we going to initiate any legal action?
Yes, definitely. This is an illegal arrest, illegal detention. We will take legal steps and
Okay. But as of now, he has left from the.
yes, he has been released.
మీకు
సార్ అల్లు అర్జున్ గారు